Hi. Sorry for calling so late. Did I wake you? Okay. Good, no. Nothing's wrong. I just... Well... Would it be alright if I come over? Well, I was on my way home when my car broke down. And while I'm over a mile away from my place, I'm only a block away from yours. So can I please come over? It's pouring out here and I'm starting to lose feeling in my toes. Oh, you're a lifesaver. Yeah, I'll be over there in a bit. Trust me, I'll be running all the way there.
Oh, jeez. Finally made it. Yeah, I'm fine. Really. Just a little wet is all. Okay, a lot of wet. Anyways, thanks for leaving the door unlocked. Saved me the trouble of waiting out there any longer. God, I didn't think I'd be this cold. I can barely feel my hands. Figures this happens the one day I forget my coat. Yeah, some hot chocolate sounds great. Man, I haven't had any since I was a kid. Hey, are the towels still in the closet? I just need to dry my hair real quick. Thanks. Again, sorry for the unexpected visit. I know you probably don't have enough space as it is. Guess that's the big drawback of a studio, huh? But I promise, I'll be out of here by the morning. Right. I should focus off on drying off. Oh, wow. That was quick. No complaints here. Thanks. Yeah. I'll make sure I don't burn my tongue. Thanks, Mom. Ah, man. That taste is good. It's already making my hand warmer, too. This is just what I needed. Yeah, I'm feeling much better. Thanks again. I definitely owe you one. Okay, I owe you one more. Honestly, you always seem to show up right when I need you, huh? I mean, just the other week you came right when I struggled to put my new desk together. I felt like I couldn't even read the instruction. Stupid IKEA. Well, my point is, I'm glad you're always there for me. I don't know what I'd do without you. Tonight especially. What was I doing out so late? Oh, well, I was kind of just leaving my girlfriend's house. Or ex-girlfriend's, I should say. No. Don't worry about it. It's fine, really. I mean, we were only together for about 2 weeks, and it just wasn't right. Long story short, I went to pick up something I left there after she finally got off of work. I was on my way home, and now I'm here. Well, yeah. I did really like this girl. I mean, initially, I didn't think we were right for each other. And luckily, she agreed. So, no harm done. Huh? I always do this? Always do what? Date girls just to dump them later? Hey, that's not what I do! Okay, my relationships don't always last as long as they could. But it's not like I mean for that to happen. I don't know why it happens. It just does, okay? Can we move on to something else? I, still need a shower and... Jesus! God, I figured the storm was bad. But I didn't think it was this bad. Guess that lightning strike took out the power. Looks like I'll be taking that shower in the morning. Yeah, I'm sure the water works pretty well, but I'd rather be able to see when I'm washing myself. Thanks. Well, unless we want to sit here in the dark, do you have some candles or something we could use? You should have a few. Perfect. Here, I'll go help you find them. Yeah, I found 3 candles. Apparently these 2 are vanilla scented, and this one here is cupcake scented. I'm sensing a pattern here. I'm just teasing. I'm sure the place will be smelling lovely, and at least we'll have some light. There we go. Not much, but better than nothing. And now we don't have to drain our phone batteries by using the flashlights. Anyways, now that we have some light, do you maybe have some spare clothes I can change into? I doubt it'd be a good idea to sleep in wet clothes, though I can't exactly do anything about my underwear. Well, if a bathrobe is all that it fits, it should be fine. You can pass it to me in the bathroom while you go change. Yeah, I said the bathroom. Well, I know there's no light in there, but I just figured it'd be, kind of weird if I changed out here. No, I know we've changed in front of each other before, but we're older now, and I just figured... Okay. I'll just go change here. There, I guess I'll just put my clothes in the shower to dry off. Oh. Yeah, I guess I have bulked up a bit. I mean, I did work out last summer, so I'd like to think it showed by now. Yeah, I'd say about that time. Oh, I had a lot of free time back then, so I just figured, why not? What? What do you mean there's more to it? Come on, what are you talking about? There's nothing else to it. I just decided to train, that's all. I'm telling you, that's all there is. Can't a guy have a hobby? Hey, it has nothing to do with my sudden dating life, alright? No, it has nothing to do with anything. Can you just let this go? What? Tell you or else? Oh, please, what are you— Hey, no! Stop! Hey, stop! Stop! I'm ticklish! Stop! Hey, no fair. You know I'm ticklish. Come on, there's no room to move in there. Seriously, I'm gonna fall on that. Oh, my head. Jeez. No. I kept telling you I was gonna fall onto the couch if you didn't. Hey, what are you... Come on, this isn't funny. You can get off of me. Won't end well if I have to push you off of me. You'll get off when I talk? Oh, you're so stubborn, you know? Fine. I'll talk. Just please get off. This position is too dangerous for me. Okay. I'll admit, my new look and recent dating life are connected. But it's not what you think. Do you remember our trip to the beach last summer? Yeah, that one. Well, the entire time we were there, I saw you staring at all these guys who were so much more built and masculine than I was, and well, yes, that's why I started working out so much, okay? I thought, I thought you'd pay more attention to me afterwards. I mean, you've been so busy lately, and I thought you were pulling away from me. But even when I thought I had your attention, I was still such a nervous wreck. I felt like I needed some kind of reassurance. Someone to tell me that I'd be a real good catch. And well, that's where all the dating came from. They all knew it wasn't serious, but I know it was still kind of wrong of me to keep going like that. Oh, why'd you think I'd be so nervous? Even if I had the look that you like, what would I do if you still rejected me? You're my best friend. I couldn't risk losing that. I couldn't risk losing you. I thought I'd lose it by saying I love you. I have for such a long time now, and that's why I love seeing you any chance that I get. Like right now, I could have called someone, maybe gotten a taxi or something, but knowing you were nearby, I just wanted to see you. I'm sure you have some mixed feelings about this. I'm sorry for just dropping all this on you. I figured it was time for me to be honest, okay? And if you would like me to leave, I could maybe call a friend or... Hey, who are you calling an idiot? I'm pouring my heart out here and you just... that was... I just... You like me back? Really? You're not joking? I'm sorry, I have been wanting to do that for so long. And I'm just so happy right now. Yeah. Best blackout ever. Oh, right. I almost forgot. I still need to put on that bathrobe you got me, don't I? I am just still in my briefs after all. Really? You prefer me this way? I think I like this new side of you. Well, I've already come to love all of you, so that's no surprise.